I hope you are well. Welcome to my channel. If you're here for the first time, my name is Nicole. Today I made cherry crumble cake. I made this cake in the past many times. This is the first time I'm actually using cherries. So in the past I would use plums, I would use apples, pears or peaches. You can really use any fruit that you love, and this cake is gonna work with that. I cannot cut it for you right now because I'm taking it to our friends. We're gonna celebrate 4th of July together, but I hope I'll remember to take a picture when I cut it at the party later on. So without further ado, let me show you how to make this beautiful, easy crumble cake. So to make the cherry crumble cake, prepare your food processor and mix the following ingredients together. 100 grams of diced unsalted butter, 100 grams caster sugar, 1 egg, 90 milliliters of whole milk, 125 grams of self-raising flour, half a teaspoon baking powder, and if you have a lemon, grate zest from 1 lemon. So mix everything together and also turn on the oven for 350°F. Now take a cake tin that's approximately 9 inches wide and butter it. I'm gonna use a small piece of kitchen roll to hold the butter. Don't forget the sides. And put the cake mixture in the tin. And now we're gonna place the fruit on. So if you're using cherries for this cake, I would actually start with the cherries because it's gonna take a little bit of time to pit them. So I remove the stem first and pit the cherries. So now I have the cherries pitted. As I was pitting them, I was opening them in half, and we're just gonna put them over the cake mixture. And I'm using approximately 3 cups of the cherries. Just cover the whole surface. You can like flatten it a little bit, push it in slightly. And now for the crumble mixture, put 100 grams of flour, sprinkle some cinnamon in about half a teaspoon, add 80 grams of diced butter, it's better if it's chilled, and add 30 grams of rolled oats and 50 grams of caster sugar. You can use a food processor to mix this, but I'm just gonna get in with my hands and just start melting the butter between your fingers and mixing everything together. And as the butter's melting, everything's gonna start bonding together. So spread the crumbs over the cherries. Again, make sure you go into the corners as well. And now we're gonna bake for approximately 55 minutes to an hour. I'll keep an eye on it. I will do the skewer test. So now it's been 55 minutes and I'm gonna do the skewer test. I'll take a clean toothpick, just put it in, and if it's coming out clean, which in my case it is, then the cake is ready. Now I'm gonna run a knife just around the edges. It doesn't seem like it's stuck at all. And remove the side. And as a final step, I would frost it with some icing sugar.